very much our lieutenant governor today. Kaya pala ako na sa tapos kinman. Okay, at this time, I would like to request our club secretary to acknowledge and recognize the members who are present today. Ma'am, Iwan yan, Rose G. Kapate.
Hello, good evening everyone.
Good evening.
So I would like to acknowledge the members, officers, and guests na ating subong. So pag tinawag ko po ang inyong pangalan, so pa-please na lang po ako tayo para kung di ka kilala sa mga tunay po members, makilala ka natin subong. Okay lang po ba? Okay, so first on the list is Iwanian Erna Elato. Okay, so our club president, Ma'am Anita Elvio Santos. Next, our Iwanian Miss Rose Kapate. Next, Sir Romeo is S. Doy. Next, Ma'am and Sir Julie. Iwanians Arabella Elato. Of course, our club treasurer, Sir Daniel Elmanda. And our president-elect, Sir Yasser M. Bumagan. Next, Sis Mildred Diliden. Sis Gina D. Ariola. Our BOD, Sir Jerry D. Implunuevo. Sir Dante N. Ego. Sir Melchor Escobro. And of course, the legend, Sir Dino Folgueras. Next, our Ma'am Jenny Clemente, our kagawad. Next, Sir Romeo Agustin. Sis Christina Angeles. Sir Ernie L. Lato. And of course, the Prince Charming, Sir Leonardo Almonte. Of course, next is Sir Rudy Nasada, Supremo. Next is Sir Mario C. Campo. Next on the list is Dr. Ruel Magan and his wife, Ma'am Alice Magan. Hello po, welcome. So wala ka pa natawag. Sorry. Ang pinaka-last guest sa listahan, sorry, lapit na